Welcome back to the channel. The farm truck had a dead battery, so I got the battery charger on it. The old farm truck battery's pulling too much load. It's tripping the charger out. Now it's down to 0 amps charging. It'll kick back on here pretty soon. Going to clean these connections up. See if that makes a difference. Leaving the charger on for a while, the battery was good enough to start the truck. So I went to a remote grain bin to load a semi. That is when I had to jump start with the battery pack, so there is still an issue. The backstory on this truck is that the lights were left on for a week in the winter, when it was below 0 Fahrenheit. I have a gut feeling the battery got frozen and is now junk. But I am doing what I can to resuscitate it in the hopes of getting it to last another year. Oh baby. Oh, she's not happy. Well. See what some PB Blaster will do. Oof, that's not good. Won't turn too easy. That's way better. Good enough for farming? Let's see what happens. Still pulling a full load. Guess we'll just let her cook and see what happens. Leaving the charger on for a while got the battery good enough to start the truck, so I went to a remote site. That is when I had to jump start with a battery pack. So there is still an issue. play a game called Will It Start? Nothing. Here we go. See what happens here. Oh, we got lucky. If you like what you see here, hit the like button. If you want to see the rest of the farm truck battery story, subscribe for updates on when the next video comes out. Thanks for watching, everybody.